Zeo Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello friends, myself Varun Nandewag. I am from Zeal Polytechnic Pune in Electrical Engineering, Division G, roll number 58. Project-based learning activity. The concept of lab-place transform to solve linear differential equation, guided by Professor Rupali Mehtre Madam and Professor Sonavne Madam. In this project, my group members are Vishnu Pujari, Srikant Borude, Shivpratap Katkar and Pranav Akhade. The Laplace transform was developed by the French mathematician by the same name and was widely adapted to engineering problems in the last century. Its utility lies in the ability to convert differential equations to algebraic forms that are more easily solved. The notation has become very common in certain areas as a form of engineering language for the dealing with system. Definition: transforms, a mathematical conversion from one way of thinking to another to make a problem easier to solve. Problem in original way of thinking. Transform, solution in transform way of thinking. Inverse transform, solution in original way of thinking. Problem in time domain. Laplace transform, solution in S domain. Inverse Laplace transform, solution in time domain. Other transforms, Fourier's Z transform, wavelets. Differential equation, transform differential equation to algebraic equation. Solve equation by algebra. Determine inverse transform, solution. Definition of Laplace transform. Suppose that f is a real or complex value function of the variable t greater than 0 and s is real or complex parameter. We define the Laplace transform of f as f of s is equal to L in curly bracket f of t is equal to integration of 0 to infinite e minus st f of t into dt. This chart shows common transform pair. In this chart shows Laplace transform operations. Steps solving differential equation by Laplace transform. First, take the Laplace transform of both sides of the differential equation and apply the initial condition. Second, collect the terms with y or x on LHS and those without y of x on RHS. Third, hence find y or x as a function of s. Fourth, resolve f of s into partial functions as usual. Fifth, take inverse Laplace transform on both sides which gives y or x as a function of t. By using above steps, we can solve example. Let's see. Example first, dy by dt plus 2y is equal to 12. Solution: by applying Laplace transform, we get sy of s minus 10 plus 2y of s is equal to 12 upon s. After solving, we get y of s is equal to 10 upon s plus 2 plus 12 upon s in bracket s plus 2. Now applying inverse Laplace transform on this equation, we get y of t is equal to 6 plus 4e raised to minus 2t. This project based on the Laplace transform to solve linear differential equation. Thank you.
Zeo Education Society, redefining excellence.